Reon is paving the way for sustainable energy in the cement industry. Bestway Cement has adopted a more affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy model by installing a 70-megawatt solar power plant with Reon. Reon's industry-specific approach and deep expertise in yield optimization proved to be of great benefit to Bestway. Our R&D team successfully prevented a 4% reduction in performance by resolving the cement industry-specific problem of scaling on solar panels caused by exhaust fumes. As a result, Bestway achieved a favorable levelized cost of energy, and energy cost reductions of up to 40% are expected. Due to the heavily energy-reliant processes, more and more cement manufacturers are greatly benefiting by adapting to renewable energy.